Snapchat is one of the most popular and engaging social media platforms. With the snapscore integration, it is more fun to use. The snapscore is basically a numerical form of all the activities that you do on the Snapchat app. You can check out your snap scores on the app itself, and you can also check out your friends' snap score in a very easy way. In this video, I will explain what exactly snapscore is and the best tips to increase it. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Snapscore on Snapchat is the number of snaps you send to someone. The app adds 1 point when you send a snap and another one when you receive it. You also get 1 point when you add a story to your Snapchat profile, and it is further calculated as the number of activities that you do on the Snapchat app. So here I am going to show you how you can check your Snapchat score first of all. So after opening the Snapchat app on this chat screen that you are seeing right now, you simply have to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, and this will take you to your profile. Here you can see the first icon, that is the Snapchat logo in blue color. This shows your Snapchat score. So currently, as you can see, it is 4, as it is just a tutorial account, so it is very less. But for most of the people that use the Snapchat app every day, this score can be very large as well. So let's move on, and I will show you how you can check your friends' Snapchat score. So what you need to do is just go back to the chat section, and you have to simply tap on the chat of any of your friends for whom you want to check the Snapchat score. Alright, after you do that, as you can see, you have to check the number given just for the Snapchat logo in blue. So as you can see, it is 76,000 something. So that is the Snapchat score for that person. Alright, so in the same way, you can check the Snapchat score of any of your friends on Snapchat. You cannot do this for someone who is not connected with you on Snapchat. Alright, so if you have a very low Snapchat score and if you want to just show it off and want to increase it, you can do that very easily. I am going to share a few tips with you. So first of all, you should send snaps every day to multiple people at once. If you have added a lot of friends on Snapchat, what you can do is simply open your camera and take any snap, and when you are sending it, press next. Make sure to send it to all your friends. Alright, so this will increase your Snapchat score at a faster rate. Alright, the second thing that you can do to increase your Snapchat score is to add a story every day or add multiple stories every day. So I will show you how that increases your Snapchat score. Alright, so for example, here I'm going to take a picture right now, as you can see, and then I'm going to add any sticker on it, and now I'm going to share it on my story. Once it gets added to my story, I will go back to my profile, and as you can see, my Snapchat score has increased from 4 to 5. Alright, it was 4 in the beginning of the video when I showed it to you, and now I have added a story, so it has increased to 5. So definitely adding stories on your Snapchat profile do increase your Snapchat score. Alright, so that was my second tip for you. Now the third tip is to not make it boring for your friends. You should not send boring apps, otherwise your friend might not want to continue with this. So make sure you are sending creative snaps whenever you do. So you can always just take anything, any snap, and you can easily choose any stickers to make it more fun, and you can even use your Bitmoji. Alright, so that's how you can send creative snaps, and make sure to be consistent so the other person is also interested in making the Snapchat score with you and the snap streak as well. Alright, and the other tip to increase your Snapchat score would be to add new friends if you can. If you can add as many friends you can, it will be easier for you to get the highest Snapchat score. And you should not think that sending direct messages will also add to your Snapchat score, as it will not. only sending snaps, it can be a video or a picture, only that will add to your Snapchat score, snap score. So keep that in mind. Also, you can do more activities on Snapchat. For example, you can watch, discover videos and so on. So the time you will spend on the Snapchat app while sharing pictures and videos, this is going to increase your Snapchat score, but keep this in mind that this is of no use. Alright, it is just a way to show off, like you can compete with your friends and you can create your highest score, and that's it. You are not getting any benefit from Snapchat for creating the highest snap score or something. Earlier they used to give you trophies, but now they have been replaced, I guess, by charms. So yeah, that was it about snap score, and if you found this video helpful, do give it a like and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more interesting and useful videos. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching.